deliver the results and manage both the capacities.
Okay.
Yeah, that's about this call.
Mm-hmm.
Let me introduce myself. I'm Purnima, working as a recruiter in Microsoft for past 2 years, almost 2 years. Yeah. Give me a short intro about yourself, please.
Sure, Purnima. So I'm Apasaheb. So basically, I hope you also checking my resume. So there is all mentioning technically skill. So basically, yeah, I have around 8 years experience in software industry, and basically journey starting 2016. So mainly I'm working on a banking sector, insurance sector, and e-commerce sector. So mainly primary skill is mobile application development and also web application development. So mobile application for we are using React Native, web application for we are using ReactjS and NextJS. Backend mostly I'm working on NodeJS and NetJS. Both side I work REST API as well as GraphQL API. So I have also knowledge DevOps side, so like is Jenkins, Dockers, and Azure pipelines. Yeah, like
Okay.
this.
Yeah. About our company, we started this in 2014, focusing on federal government projects in US due to guaranteed funding before the project commitments like things. Initially, we worked on state and local projects to gain some past performance.
Okay.
Uh, uh, we won some SBI awards, which means several small business investment research awards in US. The program was run by US Air Force, and they invited us to participate in software factory innovatives.
Mm-hmm.
After that, we got an idea to create our own product called Nbuild. It was a low-code platform that allows user to create DevSecOps environment rapidly. You can set up the Nbuild platform using the Nbuild platform. You can set up application within a days. Usually it takes a month now. So using this, we can set up our product only within a 2 or 3 days. Yeah.
Okay.
This platform supports multiple cloud providers
Mm-hmm.
and on-premises Kubernetes culture, providing infrastructure solutions. Yeah, that's basic thing about our Embedded.
Got it.
Uh, yeah, we expect the candidate to develop front-end components using Node.js and React.
Mm-hmm.
The future for this platform includes integration, new tools, creating chatbots, and enhancing automated deployment and migration capabilities using AI. That's
Okay.
the future goal.
Got it.
Yeah. So that's the specialty of our product. This is also like approved by US Air Force, and we have implemented this in US Air Force and FDIC. FDIC means the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation. We
Got.
have implemented this product in both these places, and so yeah, this is still in R&D stage.
Okay.
We are having a plan to build an R&D office in Pune, but it may take 1 year. It may take 1 to 2 years. Yeah.
Okay. After so currently you providing remotely. Okay, and after one two
Yes.
years
Yes.
then
Remotely need to
hybrid mode.
remotely.
Okay, got it. So how many people they are working currently?
Currently, almost 6 to 7 people are working.
Pardon.
Two of
How much count
yes,
number?
6 to 7 people are working in this
Got it.
product.
Got it.
Two of them are sitting in Pune, other are in US.
Okay. Two is Pune and other is US. Got it. Okay. Yeah.
So lots of APIs, Node.js, and React is the expectations from you.
Yes. I have also those skills. Yeah.
Okay. Do you have any other questions?
No, Pooja. So basically, can you tell me how many round available here and
Yeah,
uh,
it will have, including this, you will have three rounds.
okay,
Next round will be with our product lead,
okay,
and after that, you will meet our CTO or CEO.
okay,
So, but the interview process may take up to 2 weeks. We are in the initial stage.
got it.
Yeah.
So got it.
I have
When
some set.
okay,
Yeah.
so this round is complete. Then you sending the another rounds maybe some days later,
Yes.
and got product owners. Okay, got it. Yeah.
Okay. I have some set of questions in React mode and database and deployment questions. Shall we
Mm-hmm.
start?
Yeah, sure, sure.
What? Sorry, I need to record the session. Shall I record the session?
Yeah, sure, definitely.
Thank you. What is JSX and how it differs from HTML?
Okay, see, JSX means inside we can writing HTML code as well as JavaScript code. Combination of the we can writing in JSX. And HTML basically we need there is only writing your the CSS and HTML tags. And yeah, like this difference mainly. Programming through difference, yeah.
Yeah. Explain the component lifecycle of React.
Okay, so component life cycle. So basically, we before we are using classes based, but right now recently we are using a hooks basis component. Hooks based component also available life cycle. This component firstly, I will telling you class based component. So basically, there is firstly while appear, did appear, while unmounting and did unmounting means like it's your component is killing state, then your unmounting is happening, and before your the rendering part then wheel mounting is upper, and all the your the rendering part is all the renders all successful, then did mount is calling like this. And hooks basis there is use effect hooks available, similar to working on a life cycle. So there is use effect inside, you can pass in the dependency, so any dependency is changing, then again you are the rendering happening similar.
Okay, I can understand. How do you manage state in React?
Okay, state inside there is two mutable and unmutable state also available. So how to manage basically, hooks is providing state. So like this, firstly you can defining a state initialization state, and you can your requirement wise you can change the your state. Okay, this is a normal flow within component we can maintaining a state, but we maintaining very for big state, multiple state you have available, then we going to the any libraries like redux saga or mobex also good, redux saga is also good. We going to anywhere and using consume library and implementation or better way of coding like this.
Okay. How do you handle routing in React applications?
Yeah, yes. So routing is basically we handle better way. So basically we need library React routing DOM. So basically React routing DOM. So basically we creating a path every component wise, and so parent level app.js, or we can create any navigation to parent level inside include all the import all component and mentioning a path and root path there, and you can maintaining in easily. But in case you using next.js inbuilt routing is provided facility available, and some utilities also available next.js, then you can consume the according you, not extra writing you routing configuration there in next.js. Yeah.
Okay. Explain the concept of virtual DOMs and its advantages in React.
See, basically, React is virtual DOM using. There is two DOM available. Firstly is virtual DOM and second is real DOM. So virtual DOM and real DOMs is different. Virtual DOM is basically we are creating a tree wise, like I say, tree wise creating a node. So tag is changing, then specific virtual DOM is updating and very quickly responds to the end user. Real DOM is specifically anyone tag is changing, then again all the tags is updating because there is going to lot of time updating every tag and refreshing, then much more time is going on. But real DOM is creating a, sorry, virtual DOM is creating a real DOM copy, is immediately getting the response on the back end user. Yeah, virtual DOM is very good. Yeah.
Okay. What is Node.js and how does it differ from other certain technologies?
Yes. So yeah, Node.js is a open source like this service. So basically, Node.js is a using V8 engine. So basically, Google is provide V8 engine, and is open source. There is multiple facility we can available. So you can writing in JavaScript, TypeScript is main programming language, and so multiple is enterprise we easily we can creating real chat communication also we can maintaining in easily we can develop in Node.js. Also large application we obviously we using Node.js inside. Actually Node.js is basically we using JavaScript, and inside Node.js inside available event loop, event queue, easily we maintaining multiple requests is coming to the Node.js side, then there is event queue is handling, so which is asynchronous request, which is non-asynchronous request, then easily maintaining the getting response and sending back to the end user. Yeah.
Mhm. Yeah, I'm good. What is NPM and how do you use it in Node.js projects?
Okay, so npm mean basically node modules package. So basically we so any libraries means like this, every developer is creating own libraries, yeah, third party specific library, then we publish on privately or as well as also the publicly, and we consuming a specific library, then we can using library using npm. So npm install specific library like this npm also the remove the specific library we required wise install the third party our application, and our application is we will implementation like this according to requirement.
Yeah, good. How do you create a RESTful API using Node.js?
Okay, RESTful API. So API is there is two types. So firstly is GraphQL and REST API. So REST API inside multiple endpoint available. So according to you, REST endpoint. So basically React Native and Next.js we are using inbuilt fetch. Otherwise you using ReactjS library through we calling the HTTP methods. So like get, push, patch, delete, and there is pass to the calling to your REST API and getting the response using authentication method, access token and refresh token.
Yeah. Yeah. Explain the event-driven architecture of Node.js.
Event driven, just second,
Yeah.
event driven, yeah, event I not much more driven, but event is basically every event we capture the in Node.js. So event is multiple like this, any event we have available. So any clickable event, any listenable event available, then we are handling. So basically there is any firstly is event loop inside any request is coming, so there is event queue is inside each and every like this memory stack through the memory stack to the each and every request is recorded and one by one execute happening like this. And driven, actually I am not much more idea.
No worries, no worries. How do you interact with database in Node.js applications?
Oh, Node.js inside you can use MongoDB is familiar with non-SQL format database, but you can using your account-wise SQL format. So basically, we need firstly install the Mongo's library in Node.js side, and there is firstly you need a configuration. So there is we pass the or the remote database URL, and we creating a single instance, and then we access any control inside your the db dot specific user dot db dot profile dot. So according to you, so firstly we need install the library and configuration the your the object for like mongodb is dot connect pass your the remote url, and yeah, like this.
What are the advantages and disadvantages of using SQL database versus no SQL database?
Yeah, correct.
Node.js.
Correct. So yeah, so going to the SQL side. So SQL size is a tabular format data, and there is foreign relationship maintaining easily key. And there is one limitations. I realize MySQL is a limited size. We storing the data, and in case we need extra data adding in same column, then we need before you are writing script modification you are the table format, and then we adding the extra data. But going to the non-SQL side is very quickly reliable database, and very quickly response to the end user non-SQL like MongoDB, Cosmos DB. And we according to you minimize and maximum data you can pass. There is collection and document format data we are storing. So in case you have only the two there is key and key value format like similar to JSON format, you can store the data. You need only two key, or you can store you again the you have four keys, then easily you can four keys is according to your increase and decrease your the data, then you can maintaining easily in non-SQL format. Yeah.
Uh, you have experience in CI/CD, right?
Yes, I have CI/CD knowledge.
What tools or services do you use for CI/CD?
Basically, right now we are using Azure pipeline. So Azure pipeline inside we are using Azure YAML file inside all the requirement wise we writing services. Before we also I work on Jenkins through the deploying your the project. Yeah.
Uh, can you discuss your project where you utilized React and Node.js together?
So basically, right now, Field Days project. Field Days is a US company. There is similar to here, urban company. So service providing. So customer some issue is facing in hometown is AC repairing some another. Then user client. So customer is raising request and technician you will come fixing issue and then going back. So all the happening in mobile application. So basically, React Native side we are creating a mobile application. ReactJS side we are creating web application, and backend is we are using Node.js. Cloud side we are using DevOps, Azure pipelines, and Azure we are using cloud services, and we are deploying on App Store and Play Store, as well as using a Fastlane. Fastlane is an automation tool creating a APK and IFAQ file for the and mobile sites, and here is website. So also we are creating a multiple platforms like staging, development, productions, all the platform maintaining using Azure pipelines. Yeah, basically Jenkins we are using for the CI/CD pipeline. So also we are using writing a test cases for code quality. So how much code quality coverage is percentage like this above 80%, then going to the production side. Then otherwise you below the code coverage is 80, then we are rejecting our PRs. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm good. You gave great answers. Thank you for your response.
Okay.
Um, about the work time, you have to support in the evenings because the stakeholders are in US now.
Okay.
So you have to support in the evening. Like for us, you have to be online in the evening time, like 6 to 10 mandatory. And the
Uh,
other 4 hours is flexible for you. You can do your work in the morning or in the night.
just second, just second. Please pardon again. So basically, you're saying evening 6 to 10.
10.
Okay,
Yes.
and but there is actually 7, 8, 9, 10, 4 hours, and
Yeah.
actually generally shift is 8 hours.
Yes.
Then 4 hours when we spent like this.
Actually, we won't track your working time. The matter is the completion of the work. If you finish your work in the 1 hour, that's great.
Okay.
We won't track you and won't ask you why are you not in online for 8 hours, like those questions. We won't ask.
Oh, okay, okay. We not following time wise. We
That's
need
it.
a code quality and production. We need record. Okay, got it, got it, got it, got it. But as I understand, so US team is available 6 to 10. Then we also coordinate with. Yeah,
Yes, the meetings will be there,
got it.
so you have to be
Also,
present.
currently we are happening like this similar.
Okay, great.
Okay, yeah, sure.
Uh, but the core value is mutual respect. Once you accept the meeting, you have to be there. If you can't, you can tell it to us. So we can change the timing according to that.
Sure, sure, definitely.
That's
I know I am mostly available 6 to 10. Not a issue myself also because currently I am following same rules.
oh, good. Okay. Yeah, that's what the meeting is. And I explained my product and our company and the policies. Are you good with this?
Yes, yes, you can continue.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, yeah,
Thank you for
yeah.
taking time.
Okay, yeah.
Have a
Bye
great
bye.
day.
Yeah, great day.
Bye.